beg my people, more than they listen to 419nifty.org. See what you call her, 419nifty.org. More than they listen to 419nifty.org. More than they listen to 419nifty.org. So, hello, sir. So, talk to me.
Hello.
So, talk to me, sir. I say I need money. I told you before I live in South Africa.
All right. That is your friend. Have you go to house now?
Yeah, that my friend don't come out. He don't come out.
Are you alone?
Yeah, I'm alone now. Can we put it on video call? You can see it. I'm alone now.
No wahala. There's no problem because not be this kind of thing. Not watching 2 years the year.
Okay.
Because you don't know who is who.
Yes. Even that my friend said
Nobody
he get one pot meat they cook. You know they give another person they use now they cook.
Exactly. They cannot tell you the life night interview because if person go interview with person, you know they tell you anybody answer. So that make you not go, make you not win, make you not carry shame come house.
Yes.
I would call interview. So
yes.
That is it.
Yes.
So when they see the money, God now bring everything come. They will say thank God, but they will not tell you where they go.
Yeah. Okay. You don't fair work for anybody for South Africa before, sir.
Igbo boys, all these other boys for that country, all of them. There's a place they call it Johannesburg for South Africa.
Okay.
You know Johannesburg?
Yeah, Johannesburg. Yes, it's close to my city. It's very close to my city.
I have many Igbo boys with it here. So those were called last November, December, not be February they go.
Okay.
So now when I do their work for now, some will come. So consider come by December. See, they know if you come because of the corona and this year lockdown. So Kevin, are you ready for your work? Let me know. That is the main point.
Yes.
I don't waste time.
Yes, very ready.
I am a man of few words. I say what I do and I do what I say. Are you hearing me now?
Yes.
That your direct ritual work, things are evolve.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
So the blood of animal cannot give you money. That is one point you must get.
Okay.
How old are you? How old are you?
Okay. For now, I'm 38.
Before what? Tomorrow what year will be?
Because my birthday is close. My birthday is next month.
How old are you?
No, I'm 38. 38.
You are 38 years. You never complete 40 or 39. You are 38. Are you married?
No, I have a girlfriend.
But you never get pikin.
I get pikin.
How many children do you have?
For just for Nigeria, I get one.
For where you did, or that one did for anywhere. Get why they ask you?
No.
Only one pikin you get.
Yes.
Why they tell you because as soon as the work don't start, they go do protection work for you because who they carry pikin, who they kill you or they kill your pikin and you they kill, so they go do protection work for you. IRB, so that's why they talk so that we know how to make arrangement there. So back to that your work, IRB.
Yes.
That work now, they will need human involved. Are you getting the point now?
Yes.
As I told you earlier that the blood of animals they cannot give you money. Are you getting the point?
Yeah, I'm getting the point now.
The blood of animal cannot give you money. So iron sharpened iron. Are you getting the point now?
I'm getting the point now.
Iron sharpened iron. So you understand what I mean by that one?
I understand
so
that.
The blood of animal, the blood of goat and rabbit cannot give you money. So life for a life. So all those are not your business. There are people who where they charge. So I have boys here that supply those things.
Okay.
So once you are ready, we tell them and they get those human parts the way they make arrangement for it. They get it ready. Are you getting the point now?
I'm getting the point now.
As soon as they get it ready, what you will do? There's a 12 months in the year Are you getting me?
I'm getting it now.
In the year. There are 12 months in the year. You get 12 Ghana must go. They said that 12 Ghana must go.
Wait, sir.
The currency that.
Wait, sir. 12 months in a year, I'll get 12 Ghana must go.
Each Ghana must go. Each Ghana must go. Will stand for 1 month. There will be 12. So the highest currency in your country, if it is dollar you want, you put the highest note of dollar inside that 12 bag. So that is where the multiplication will come from.
That means I will become the president of Nigeria.
That is your business now. For you, then you don't know where I want to become the president of South Africa. Are you?
I'm getting your point now.
I say that. What did I tell you? I said that not giving money. And when I do work for you, you will know that you have got to meet a spiritualist. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm getting your point now.
And before then, Kevin, you send me your name. Let me check if the road will favor you.
Okay, I should send you now. I should send you my name now.
Send me your name. Make I check this now before I sleep. Before I proceed, because the road not everybody they follow. If you get ancestral course, what do you? It can deny. It can deny.
No, ancestral course not the worry me. Maybe they're not.
Maybe now that
okay, wait, Mike. Mike, send you my name now.
Send this on WhatsApp. Let me check.
Maybe now your family ancestral. Mona C419 FT dot. Mona, they be careful. On the C419 FT dot. Ancestral spirit now they follow your papa and your mama. They crazy. I tell and say my name is Kelvin. My people. Mona they vec you before I send out this message. My friend they tell on my people. I beg. On a made they follow social media, made they look past the comments, see on a comment section. This one I found one now. He asked me now say what my name. I say my name is Kevin. My people, please be very, very vigilant. Please, I beg you guys in the name of God. Be very, very vigilant in these 419 nifty doctors. They are criminals, they are thieves. They be what did they worry this one now? Ich bin nicht auf Video, bitte. Was machst du? No version. Mona, they very, very careful for all those 419 made the Facebook. So I want to send him my name now. I want to send I want to send her the name now so that Mona here with he will talk. I want to take time. You know that answer the talk so go say this one serious, so we go say this one serious. This one God punish here there. He a man. Olori buruku omo intoti yawere. Me go ask and say which state him for come because me tell and say me now from I be from I be Lagosian. I tell and say I be Lagosian. Say my people. Mona they take them for give her fake name. You don't need to even tell and say I give her fake name. I say I tell and say my name I kept. You see the phone one man. See number. You say I give her fake name. I know they use fake something. I tell Sam now my picture did my WhatsApp. And my name I did my WhatsApp. Sure. Now my picture did my WhatsApp. Now my ID Chris. They born out. They not born papa born mama way. Yeah. You say for 21 more, 12 months, I'll get 12 Ghana must go. On a see work. He say my send my name one work to make sure say whether the name go for whether go kill your papa, kill your mama, they could need that for your like Yao Benny. So why they do this video now to tell una say Mona they get very careful with all those people for live video. Touch and follow, slap and collect money, name me lock, name me marriage, name me good relationship. Now those 419 people they do my colleague, sir, you don't get the number. Hello, sir. You don't see the name, sir.
Hello. if they tell you say make you send name, you attend primary school. If they say make you send name, only your name be the bring, only your first name the bring.
You not tell me say
your name. That is make you say. That is they say send your name and the name when they call you for Nigeria here.
Now name that they come in now I give you so now, sir.
I said your son name.
Okay. People, Mona never sleep. Mona never sleep. Mona look at the drama go 10. Mona see what I want to do this man. I don't send that man. I see my name na Keviola. I see my name na Keviola. My people, 419, full every. Lazy man. No, my face and play before I block and priest. No worry. My face and play. And so that people will know before I block and in the mad. Now why? Leave me now. Me fair the look. I dey call again. You don't say answer?
That is Keviola.
Yes.
Hold on though, make I check. Because I was about to come up for us. I get 12 midnight work about 4 minutes from now. I will come up for us. Make I go do midnight work for people. What time is it over there in South Africa?
Yeah, this is after 1.
Okay. Yeah, it's almost 12 o'clock. Listen though, if I say make you talk, you talk. If I say make you keep quiet, you quiet. Are you ready?
Okay.
Keviola. Hello, Kevin. Keviola. If I start for Kevin, road will go open for Kevin. If you don't go that talk, make una talk. If I start for Keviola, this road will favor her. Money go come. About the question, Boku that tell me. Okay. Kevin, can you hear me? Okay, no wala. Hello, Kevin.
Hello.
I can hear you. It go favor you.
Okay.
Can you hear?
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Star, which state are you from? So that I go know.
I am from Edo State.
Where in Edo State?
From
Ebohimi.
Yes, I'm from Ebohimi, Edo State.
What is your name, sir?
I'm Dr. Awase.
Dr. Awase. Where in Ebohimi? Because I know my mother is from Ebohimi.
Okagbe.
Okay. So, sir, what do we go need to do now?
We'll not check everything all right. So the work will work for you. Are you ready?
So how much it go cost? And what it go cost?
The major items now what we need. That be that human part. Are you ready? That human part. So
no, me I cannot use human part. Oh. God forbid.
Okay. Boko do animal work for you.
Me, I cannot use human part. God forbid. I cannot kill anybody because of money. Oh.
No, not be that. What did I tell you, just listen to be Kevin. Listen to be pay. Act like a man. Make your spirit calm down. What did I tell you? I say people do
when they make me the happy now that Ghana must go me. You say 12 for 12 months. Oga.
Allow me work for you. Allow me relax. we'll get to that bridge. You see it. You see it for yourself, and not be. I talk little. I do more. I'm a man. What I do, what I say, and I say what I do. I hear to be there. Thank God your mother for my place. I'm a well-known man. I hear to be.
Yes.
So when I do something,
sir, can I call you video call so that I can see all those things you are, because what you ask those people just now, not here. I feel call you for video call so that I will believe.
It's already night here now.
Because a lot of people they shop my money, they go say, yeah, pastor, prophet, I don't know the one man want follow. Sir, can I call you so that I can just see your face to know that I'm dealing with the right person, that this person may want to give me 12 bag of money? I beg.
Call me tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Tomorrow first tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, I'll be in my house. You call me.
Okay.
So because what I did by Shira, I don't know if you take call. So what I did has tomorrow morning, first to 8 o'clock, 8 to 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. I don't do week.
Okay.
You call me so that I will.
Oh yeah, so sir.
So that I see you.
So sir,
I hear you.
So sir, what do you say? How much you say it go cost now? Because but me, I cannot keep person because of money, sir. I not fit. My mind cannot carry that.
I know that was the problem. If I ask you one question, if you are ready for money,
yeah,
the road to money, the road to success, it is not Coke and Fanta where you go to the joke. I those who don't make money go ask them. Do you have friends that have money?
A lot of them, even my friend who got a South Africa, yeah. My friend, one of my friend now, one of my friend now, Dele.
Make you know what did happen. People are making money. It don't concern you where they foresee money. I hear the money is money. So if you are ready for work, they'll do your work for you.
So like how much does this one go cost now?
This one, what you go give them? You'll give them 350.
350,000.
Give them 350 for everything, so that be the thing arrange everywhere. So
okay, like how many after I don't pay the money, like how many days I'll call they see that 12 Ghana must go off money?
7 days after the work, everything the money don't come outside. 7 days.
Are you going to send? Can you forward your account to me now? Whether I fit transfer it now, so that tomorrow morning when I go start the work, can I transfer it to you now with my phone? I don't fuck up. 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 If let's say you don't know, say me self now another Ogboru. As I dey talk just na a year. As I dey talk just na a year. As I dey talk just na a year. Hello, sir.
Hello, Kevin. Network here. The network is bad here.
Okay, so so sir, I don't know. I fit do transfer for you now, phone transfer for you now for UBA. Can I transfer the money to you now so that tomorrow morning you start the work? Can I transfer the money? You fit send me your account, I transfer the money now, or I should call my family. No, I'll just call my mom, or send me your account first in case if I can call my mother or my father for them to come and meet you, or my transfer the money if you can send me now so that let me see if I can transfer it right now.
No wahala. Make my boy give me first back. Okay. No wahala. Edda, they said I give you.
Okay, tell me send that now. Me send that now.
I do wahala. End the call. Make the sender.
Okay. So my people, on a receive 419. On a receive 419 till they walk. You say my ask how that in I will ask him that question. Don't worry. Don't worry. I go ask him how okay. I go ask him how much he get. More than 419. Because say na dada. They're not bunny papa, bunny mama way. They're not born away. Say na in a form one I cause in that mona yo he say in the ewo imi mona no ewo imi no what he guess I will take cash and you say na go by self wrong. So my people, why they do this in to open most of our people? On a make we say no be any Ishama. Osas which can lori buruku Ishama. You don't know job man. Na job man which can yeah Ishama. No be Ishama na thief you be. Na thief na criminal na 419. All those 419 nifty doctors made they write something for work for your if you do live video they go they comment. They'll put their number, they'll put their stupid things. Now, which can lori buruku, which can stupid say na Ishama. Not be any na thief it be. Not be any Ishama, brother. Na thief, na 419, na scam. Me forward the account come. If you know if that account say I'll send I go Nigeria, may police help me go trace that account. Na thief. Who know how many people do is on? Who know how many people do is on fraud? I will send the agency, send my team. Police team may they find that account, may they go trace them. Who get the account? You say First Bank. Nah, thief. Who tell you say bros nation? No be sure. Oh, this one said if now you there your cash, now be say you for not say you ask go give her the money. You don't hear 3 million Ghana must go. You say that 12 Ghana must go 12. You say they go use. You say for 7 days I you get 12 Ghana must go off money. You they believe now say nation. Family to come and pay. People. Yes. Definitely, I will ask him that question. You know, understand? I will say, no, you know, if we Russia now, you go no. You hear the tell say nation. Personally, me, I speak Yoruba, like say, na there for na my state. I dey speak Yoruba, I dey chop am, I dey chop Urobo. You know understand? I dey chop Ekwere, like say, you know understand? The way they would speak all those Urobo, Ekwere, Yoruba, I know they speak Ijo and Benin like that. So where like Ogun State, where I tell us for corner, I say Ogun State. Make you not worry. This man me go cash out. Except I don't know because I don't know whether they watch me now because hey God. Lori Buruku say Ishak Ken. Now wow, Mona take time on my people. No way they not take the find money. Now if that account enter my phone now, they'll tell you say owner of that account they will pick them up. Owner of that account they will pick them up. I'll give one at the update. Except my team, they're not there around. If my team there around, I go pick them up. I go pick the owner of that account. He's a fraudulent and desperate, evil person. So my people, Mona take them easy. Mona know they not be everything Mona see for Facebook on I go they believe. Mona no understand. Won't be everything I see for Facebook on I go they believe. Me send down. I pray me not they watch me. When I be waiting, I go they pray for. And they pray me not they watch me. See how people take the fraudulent people. See 300,000 go give you 12 Ghana must go off money. You say in any currency may you get. And we ain't saying they say you not get light. Who want make you be millionaire? You not get light we in there. Who want make you a millionaire, a billionaire, a trillionaire? You not get light we in the olori buruku. And don't you yawiri. Ekba omo. You not get light. Who want make you a millionaire? You no get like where in day. Tell me what that kind of person go tell you, make you go they believe. 419 man. Send the account. You defend transfer. Send the account, you say First Bank. Send the First Bank, may you see. May you no worry. Now you go by yourself, block yourself. Not be me and you. Who stay, if you stay Lagos, you still worry, you stay Port Harcourt, you can't stay at those states, you know wise, reach here. Or you don't know what it be street. Believe me, the first he left, he no go lala fees. Just sure. Sure. First Bank of Nigeria. Sure. You don't forward that come. Sure. So I want to call her now. One of the word, listen. quick forward and go. My quick. My quick. My quick. They call me. My quick forward and go where I want forward and go. They call me Chief Kiyu. Olori Buruku. I want quick forward and hey God, oh. We did off my WhatsApp. Please did off my WhatsApp now. My forward and give this my friend. Okay, they call me. Hello, sir. I was trying. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Your network
Hello.
is very bad. Sir, you said 300,000.
Hello.
Hello, sir. You said 300,000, yeah?
Hello.
You said 300,000.
Kevin, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but your network is bad. I dey hear you, sir.
Because of this locality.
Okay. Hello, sir. Oh, sir, talk to me now. You said 300,000.
I said make you give the 350.
Sir, now I can transfer only 300,000.
Make you let me know.
Okay, because right now let me call my mother. As far as say you there will hear me. Make my mother might ask my mother whether I need to transfer her or my mother go call give you for ever me for your house.
Make you give them for a cash. Make I call boys we go bring her to borrow, but first to borrow body.
No, sir, you said you live in Evo Imi, and my mother is from Evo Imi. My mother is from Evo Imi.
Listen to me. Make allow me to talk. I'm not working for you. Okay. And secondly, you don't have to dictate for me. That's what the problem be. That spiritual items, that spiritual work what I go do for you. What you concern your body? What you will do? You will call that by yourself. Make you come from South Africa. Make them do work for you. And they try to explain this to you so that at first tomorrow morning 7 o'clock, those boys don't enter road. They go market so that they will go buy this. Make them start your work. They say your mother. Tell your mother make it they come.
Okay. Okay, man, tell my mother make they come Evo Imi. My mother is already in Evo Imi. My mother there Evo Imi as we speak.
What did they tell you, lad? What is your mother? Which business or which one? That is the point I'm trying to ask you. If I'm not ready for work, then please,
sir, we know the quarrel, sir. Sir, we know the quarrel now because you tell me say you not from Evo, and because me I be from Ogun State. My father is from Ogun State. My father is from Ogun State. My mother is from Evo Imi. My father is from Ogun State. My mother is from Evo Imi. My father is from Ogun State.
You hear it, sir?
Yes, sir. And why not? Yeah. But I know they speak. I know they speak. But I they speak.
I was able my menace. Yeah, even my own person. Anyway.
Of food on why no?
Yeah, even my own person. Now they speak English. They speak Agua and Wana. You follow me talk.
Okay.
Batu Webesa.
Hello? Hello?
Batu Webesa. Batu Webesa.
Oh, that mentioned him more.
Batu Webesa.
Because I know they 2 day because that name will not the 2 day use them, you know. My we not
Batu Webesa. You say you are from Besa land.
I say my mother, I not say me. I say my mother. My father is from from Ogun State. My mother is from Ishan.
Where you for grow?
Now Ogun State now not be our, because my father was a soldier before he retired.
Okay, so your father still alive?
Yes, now my father is still alive. My mother is still alive. But my mother is in a...
Where is it? Where your father? Where your father? Where your father did now?
He did Ogun State.
Where's your father now?
My father did
Where's
Ogun
your father
State.
now?
He did Ogun State, Ogun State, Ogun State.
Okay. Is your father and mother don't live the same place?
No.
What are you talking? Your father would not live.
No.
Hello.
No.
No.
So, but I can speak Bini too. I can speak Bini too.
I don't be. I hear Bini, but not in Bini, man. I'm a man.
Okay.
As far as you hear Bini, meaning you can also hear Ishan too now.
Yes, I hear what they talk. If you tell to me, I hear, but to cause speaker can be the problem.
Okay.
Member Zesan, but Meisa, member Zesan.
There is no problem. All the way. Oh, for the but one thing is that you have to keep your mouth quiet. That is your problem. That is what I'm saying. Kokunu agunu, obi agunu. Every year no be a me or tasowa, not be able to wear mask, not be in the talk.
Yeah.
I hear me.
Yeah.
There are so many. Let me say those state people in general when they are abroad, they are succeeding. Not that because of they get people when they there. And I hear they make the money. They'll go abroad, go stay there. They eat the money. So at a period of time, they come back home. When they come house, they go begin to celebrate. So we know them. Even pastors, they come. All those are pastors when they have the erosion water during river water. They come. So when they make all this money now, they will go. So they travel abroad. So when they go abroad, they'll also go they do things for there. Later they will come house. Imagine say small boy about 22 years, you will travel. Within that 3 months, you will come house, you build a house, you drive.
Okay, sir, how are we going to do the transaction now? Because I don't know if you can give me two seconds. Let me call my mom. Whether she can talk to you, or maybe she just come meet you direct, because I don't do something. My mom know everything. I don't know. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me call my mom right now. That his brother from Ebo because Mama Denier Market, the Denier or no jail of Ebo Denier there.
There is no problem.
So let me just call him now. I will call you back. When I see thief, no be Ishama, you the speaker. Oh God, no be Ishama, you the speaker. If you look at self, Isha not clear. No be Ishama, you the speaker. If you look at self, Isha not clear. Omagba 419 no. Na 419 no gba olori buruku ni ko gba on se. Na 419. 419 empty dot for Facebook. My caller wait. No, time never reach. Now 419 FT daughter 419. Which can load buruku esa? Who tell say na esa man? If he shall not even correct. He shall not correct. He shall not correct at all, not chief. Sir, I write you my WhatsApp number. Sir, I write you my WhatsApp number or your messenger. I say you say I write you my WhatsApp number. I don't write them for you since. I don't give you my WhatsApp number for messenger since. I don't know whether you see for your Facebook messenger. Where you for write me. You can go and check it. You understand, sir? I don't know. Bad market. I they tell you, was that a very bad market, so you don't know. Big 419. I know saying a big for you don't need to tell me now. Me no me. I know saying a big 419. Nah, because you. Nah. I know saying a big 419 now. You don't need to tell me. I tell her, I know saying a big 419. I dey call her again. I dey call the 419 again. Hello 419. I know say na 419 now. You don't need to tell me say na 419. In the mad. Not be women they fall for their hand. For one, hello, sir. I just talked to my mother now.